Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you why is ConvertKit billing error 2026. There can be several common reasons. Incorrect payment details, wrong card number, expiry date, CVV, or billing address. Insufficient funds. Your card or account may not have enough balance. Bank restrictions. Your bank may block online or international transactions for security reasons. Expired or inactive card. An invalid or expired card will not be accepted. Payment gateway issues. Temporary issues with the payment processor can interrupt billing. Subscription or invoice issues. Problems with plan renewal, upgrades, or outstanding invoices. Security or fraud checks. Unusual activity may be flagged and automatically declined. Currency or region limitations. Some payment methods may not be supported in certain locations. If the issue continues, verify your payment details, try another method, or contact ConvertKit support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.